Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Welcome again to my channel. All right, I have another exciting job here for you. Okay, and yes, it's actually from Together Work, and Together Work is a growing community of software companies serving over 100 niche industries and member-based organization. Yes, and this job is actually an executive assistant. It's remote, it's US based. So before we dive into it, I want to say to you that your resume kit may need to be in order. So you can click the link in the description, get your resume kit. If you need help with your resume kit, book a consultation with me. And so let's go so you can land the job of your dream. I know that there are some of you out there, you're sick and tired of where you are right now, and you really want to improve things so that you can improve your family, improve your life, and stuff like that. So let's dive right into this executive assistant remote US based job. The responsibilities: you will have to manage a complex, ever changing calendars across multiple time zones. You have to be proactively coordinating internal and external meetings. All right, organize domestic and international travels, draft and manage executive communications with professionalism and confidentiality, support strategic initiatives by gathering information, liaise with key stakeholders across departments, and assist in cross functional collaboration, maintain discretion with sensitive information, and occasionally support virtual team building activities, events, and leadership offsite. Requirements: of course, you will have to have 8+ years of experience as an executive assistant supporting senior executives in technology or corporate environment, proven success managing busy calendars. Yes, you have to be tech savvy, excellent written and verbal communication skills, highly organized, proactive, and comfortable making decisions in fast moving environment, ability to handle confidential information with integrity, strong relationship building skills, a calm, poised demeanor, even under pressure, and of course, a bachelor's degree. Now, this is what the company actually offers: medical, dental, vision insurance option, 100% employer paid short, long term disability, basic life, 401k option with 100% company match, flexible paid personal vacation time, build on mutual trust and accountability, 10 sick days annually, 10 company paid holidays, 6 week paid parental leave. Okay, and the list goes on, goes on. And as I said before, it's US. In the US, it's remote. It pays between $80 and $100,000 per year. Again, I want to say that you might be out there. All right, get your resume kit by clicking the link in the description. Like this video, subscribe, share. All right, as you look forward for more jobs. All right, that are remote, that are in the US. So let's go. Let's go.